Hello everyone. Last time I promised you that we are going to be adding more of these things. Let me hope you're fine and okay. So this time around we are going to learn Excel. So first of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Gumo Demystifies. So I'm bachelor degree in medicine and surgery. So this time around I'm going to take you through Excel and just the elementary features of Excel. So here we go. So on my taskbar here, I'll type in Excel, and here I get the app. So I open the app. So this is the application Excel, which is part of the spreadsheet applications. Now on opening this, when you look here you get telling you blank workable. Welcome to Excel, drop down tutorial. So these tutorials can help you on how to maneuver this application. However, for this aspect, let me take you through this. So here is where they're saying blank workbook. What is a workbook? A workbook is a collection of different worksheets. We shall see what a worksheet is, but a workbook is like normally about the book. So when I open here, I get to have what we call a sheet. Now on the sheet here, we have a lot of features. So I have a sheet, and it's called a sheet 1. So it's called a worksheet because I work on this sheet here. I put a lot of things data here. Then I can also add more sheets using this. So once I click on this add, it has given me another sheet too. So this, I can make many of these sheets. So on making many of these sheets, what happens is that I'm creating what we call a workbook, and a workbook is a collection of various worksheets. So that's what we call a workbook. Today we are going to learn just elementary aspects of what Excel is. Number one is what we call a cell. So a cell is an active intersection of a column and a row, and it's called a cell. Now this cell, once you get a cell is an intersection of a column and a row. So this is what we call a cell. Now this is an active cell. Why? Because when I click, it is bounded by a green rectangle. So this one becomes an active cell because within this I can type anything. So that's why it's called an active cell. So that is what we call an active cell. So then these cells, each of them has a name corresponding to the name of the column and the name of the row. For example, here I'm having a column E and a row 4. When I combine them, I get a cell whose cell name can be obtained here in the name box. So this is the name box, and I've given you a name, and this is when I don't click and I just bring the cursor there, it gives me that name called the name box. So that's the name box, and it gives you the cell name or the cell reference. So the cell reference is the name of the given cell in correspondence to the column and the row that make up the cell. So that's what we call a cell reference. Now, when you go further on that, we also have this. We have this field. This entry field is called the formula bar. Why is it called the formula bar? We insert formulas. Now, formulas are different from functions in a way that formulas you can just put in. Okay, let me have some simple data. Let me put in some simple data for our good. So suppose I have here I have a 90, here I have a 90, here I have 88. And Suppose I want to get the total here. I want to get the total here. Sorry, I want to get the total here. So what happens is that to get this total, just say equals. I type in equals shift. I get this. Then I come and I say B3. Then I say plus shift plus C3 shift plus D3. So and I close. That one becomes a formula and gives me an answer. Okay? So that is a formula bar. A formula bar can also enter functions. Now how is a formula different from a function? A function is embedded within the system. So for these things here, these things 98 and 80, I can get the sum or the total by using a function, and that function in Excel is called sum equals sum. So I say it like this. So I'm going to sum up this. So I'm going to highlight from here like this. And when I highlight, it writes down the range of cells for which I am summing up, and then I close. Sorry. Let me repeat this. Call sum. I highlight. And I come back here. So I close. And that has come the same issue. So you are getting the same answer but with different things. This is you have used the formula here, and this is the formula. Here we have used a function. Then that we can also go for more. This is a worksheet where as I explained earlier. So these are some of the simple things in Excel. Then the other thing is we talked about cell reference, talked about column, talked about the row, column, row. So those are some of the simple things that we talk about in this issue. So then the other one is the rank. How do we rank a data? Now how we rank a data? Let me suppose I had a total here, different totals. Let me put here different totals just for our learning. So I have 890, these are for different kids. This one got 900, this one got 700, this one got 9680, then this one got 790, then this one maybe got 80. So those are the different, let me say, totals. Now, if I want to rank this data, let me say rank. How do I rank? I will not go there and start saying this should be number 1, the one for 9 this should be number. It may be very long document, so what I do, I just insert. I come and insert and say equals. Then I say rank. What am I ranking? First, open bracket. I'm ranking this cell F3, comma, F3, but I'm ranking it from F3 to F8. Let me first drag this down. this is F7. So let me put F8. So that is F8. Now after putting that cell reference, I highlight it. I can highlight it like this. And then after I press F4. F4 does what we call absolute cell referencing. Absolute means fixed. So when I say absolute, I mean fixed. So I can fix this cell reference, not to change as I drag down my formula when I use this formula. So what I do, I fix F4, and F4 brings this dollar sign which creates the absolute cell referencing. We say that the cell reference is the name of the cell. So when we absolutely fix the cell reference, we are fixing the range of cells for which we are total. If we don't fix them, they will be changing. So that is what we do. Then after there, we insert a comma and it says 0. Why is 0? 0 is for descending order. So we should go to descending order from 1, 2, 3, 4, not from 10, 9. So we should go from descending order. So that is what we will do. And from there we close. So then we enter. So that is our rank now. Now when I've entered this rank, I just come here and you see the autofill handle. It's called the autofill handle. So you come here and you drag. So that one. So you can see that the one with the highest percentage of 908 is number 1, the one for 900 is number 2. Because we fixed this 0 is very important. Otherwise, if you change the 0 to a 1, then the one of 908 will become the one with the number 6. So it comes upside down. So that denoting of 0 is very important, especially with marking or ranging of positions. So that's what we call referencing. So we have learned today that there is what we call absolute cell referencing. Now this F3 is a relative cell reference. It does not have a fixed dollar sign. Then the one which has a fixed dollar sign is called an absolute cell reference. So this is just a little bit of that simple thing. The other thing I wanted to share about you is suppose you had names. Let me use this. Names. Let me say first name, surname. So surname. Then the last name. The surname, let me say it is Gumo. And the last name is Isaac. And I want to combine the name with two full names. So what do I do? So let me first auto range this, auto fit with it. So I auto fitted the width. So what happens here is that to get full names, just say equals concat bracket, and then you come and highlight the concatenation. So then close. And now you get this, and the two names are fixed together. However, there is no spacing. So what you do is just come here to the first name here, double click here, and put a space. It will automatically insert a space here when I take away the active cell. So you're seeing that the space has been automatically fitted. So those are the simple things about Excel. So let me hope we have learned. Members, let me hope we have enjoyed. So nice day. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. God bless you. To God be the glory.